How to fix Pi Network app, can't log in, loading error, problem, step-by-step detailed solution. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can do this by trying to access other websites or apps on your device. If you are not able to connect to the internet, try restarting your router or modem. Method 2. Update the Pi Network app. To do this, go to Play Store. Search for Pi Network. Go to Pi Network. If there is any update, update it. Method 3. Clear the Pi Network app cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. To clear the app cache and data, long press on Pi Network app. Then click on App Info. Then click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Cache. Then click on Clear Cache. Then click on Clear Storage. Method 4. Restart your device. After doing all these, just simply restart your device, and your problem will definitely be solved. If you are still having trouble with the Pi Network app, you can try contacting the Pi Network support team for help. Like the video. Subscribe to TechSource.